Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my dear lovely kids. I hope you are doing well. Yes, very good. So, children, I know आप सब हाइजीन को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं and I know you all are keeping your body hygienic, है ना? आप लोग अपनी बॉडी को बहुत साफ सुथरा रखते होंगे. Okay, so children, we should brush our teeth every day. Brush our teeth every day. Okay, and take a bath every day. Brush your teeth every day. Take a bath every day. Comb your hair every day. Okay, children. And children, trim your nails, children, but not bite. It's very bad habit. You should trim your nails with a nail cutter. Okay. And children, wipe your nose with clean handkerchief. Okay, children, clean handkerchief. You have to always use clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. This is your hanky. Okay, so children, we are talking about our hygiene. So lovely kids, we need to keep ourselves clean. We need to keep ourselves clean. Okay, so we should take bath every day, brush your teeth. अच्छे से आपको अपना ब्रश करना है. Comb your hair, put oil. Okay, children, so we will sing a rhyme. Okay, so are you ready? Say all of you. Oh yes. So children, if you have a brush, you can bring your brush, comb, your hanky and your nail cutter. Okay, so we will do the action. So if you have these things, so get ready. Okay, and sing with me, children. Okay, then only you can learn your poem. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Do the action, children. How you comb? Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Okay. Trim, trim, trim your nails. Trim, trim, trim your nails. Wipe, wipe, wipe your nose, wipe it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wipe it every day. Okay? Then take, take bath, take bath. कैसे करते हैं आप नहाते कैसे? Do the action. Yes. Take it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, take it every day. Bath every day. Okay, children? So, these are the things. These are few things which we have to do every day. Okay? There are so many things which we have to do every day. And those things are related to hygiene. Okay, so children, see the next. Welcome, friends. So friends, today I will show you the things which we use to keep our body clean or keep ourselves clean. So this is a toothbrush. Say with me, this is a toothbrush. This is a comb. This is a comb. This is a hanky. This is a hanky. Hanky to clean our nose or wipe our nose. This is for clean our nose. And children, this is a soap to wash our hands. This is a nail cutter to trim our nails. Okay. And children, this is a towel to wipe our body or to keep dry our body. Okay. तो हम टॉवल से अपने बॉडी को पोंछते हैं. Lovely kids, brush your teeth every day. Comb your hair every day. Wash your face, wash your hands. And wear clean clothes every day. Change your clothes every day. So lovely kids, after that what we have to do? We have to draw the things which we use to clean ourselves, to clean. So kids, we are going to draw the things which keep us clean or hygienic. So children, what you have to do? You have to take your medium plain book. Okay. So Montu is saying bye. Bye everyone. So children, we have to draw. If you want to draw hanky, handkerchief, you can draw handkerchief. Soap you can draw. You can draw a nail cutter. You can draw a towel, comb. So children, it's your choice. जो भी आप draw करना चाहते हैं, you can draw them. So kids, I'm going to draw a handkerchief. This is a hanky. So children, this is a hanky. Do you know children what is the use of this hanky? Yes. Very good. We clean our nose with this hanky. Use a clean handkerchief or hanky to wipe your nose. So I'm going to draw it. Slipping line, standing line, then sleeping line, then standing line, square shape. Okay, and I'm going to make a flower here. You can draw any design children. Okay, so these two slanting line here also and here also. This is a hanky. Okay, use a clean hanky to wipe your nose. Okay, and this is a soap. So I'm going to draw a soap also because we take a bath with soap. Okay, है ना? सब लोग साबुन से नहाते हैं ना? Yes, we take a bath with soap and clean water. So I'm going to draw a soap. Sleeping line, then standing line, and here also sleeping line. So children, what is this? This is a soap. And what you have to do, children, do you know? You have to write the name of your favorite soap. जो आप soap use करते हैं, like Lux, I'm going to write my name. I'm using Lux, so I'm going to write Lux. कुछ भी आप अपना favorite जो साबुन use करते हैं, you can write that one name. Okay, children? And you have to color them. Handkerchief, we call it hanky. This is a soap. With soap, we take a bath, and to wipe our nose, we use a hanky. So kids, color this hanky. So say with me, children, we should clean our nose or wipe our nose with clean hanky. Okay, so always keep your hanky with you. Okay, and this is a soap. We should take a bath with soap. Okay, so have a bath with soap and water every day. This is a soap. Hanky, children, handkerchief and soap. Now children, what you have to do is, I have drawn two things. You have to draw one more thing over here, like towel, nail cutter, comb, brush, hair oil. Okay children, because we use hair oil also. Okay, so you can draw hair oil, you can draw nail cutter. And children, this is an earbud. We use this earbud to clean our ears. So you can draw it also. Okay, so children, I hope you are keeping clean yourself every day. So draw the things and keep learning. Bye.